Our story begins at the most fundamental level, the atom. They are the basic building blocks of all matter, composed of subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons. Think of them as the alphabet of existence. These atoms combine in countless ways to form molecules. As just like words made from alphabets, these molecules start to take on specific properties and functions. Inside every living being, specialized structures called organelles are present. These are just like tiny membrane bound factories within a cell, each formed from complex macromolecules and performing specific vital functions like energy production, as in the case of mitochondria. These amazing organelles work in perfect harmony, come together to form the very essence of life, the cell, the basic and the smallest functional unit of life. A self sustaining marvel capable of carrying out all the processes necessary for existence. When group of cells similar in structure and function come together, they form a tissue. These tissues are like specialized teams, each dedicated to a particular task, like protection, allowing movement, or transmitting signals. And these specialized tissue in turn unite to create something even more complex, an organ. Think of our heart, lungs, or brain. Each is a masterpiece of biological engineering. When multiple organs work together to carry out a major function of the body, they constitute an organ system. Our bodies are a symphony of these systems, like the circulatory system delivering nutrients or the nervous system coordinating our thoughts and actions. And when all these organ systems integrate and work together flawlessly to form a complete organism, a living being capable of independent existence and interaction with its environment. But organisms don't live in isolation. A group of organisms of the same species that live in a same area forms a population. Now we begin to see interactions within a species, competition, cooperation, reproduction, all contributing to the survival of the group. Now imagine different species interacting with each other in a particular environment, predators and prey, plants and pollinators, forming a dynamic web of life called the community. When these communities of organisms interact not only with each other but also with their physical environment, the air, the water, soil, they form an ecosystem. This is a self sustaining system where energy flows and nutrients cycle, demonstrating the complexity and balance of nature. And finally, encompassing all the ecosystems on Earth is the ultimate level of organization, the biosphere. The entire region of Earth inhabited by living things, a thin, precious layer where all life thrives, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. From the smallest atom to the vast biosphere, every level is beautifully interconnected, a fundamental building block for the next level. What's your favorite level of organization? Let's know in the comments below. Take care. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.